A lot of information about cowries on the internet. Some are true and some are lies. Things does just not work spiritually. Everything, there must be a point of contact. There are some things we use the cowries that the back has already opened. There are some we use the one that the back has not opened. Be 100% naked if you want to do this. They put several seeds, use cowrie for protection. I use the one they have not opened the back. 7 seeds of alligator pepper type 7, there's 7 cowrie. When the back of cowrie has not opened spiritually, it is not money. But once they have opened it spiritually, it becomes money. So cowries, if you check YouTube channel, my channel here is one of the best channels that speaks a lot of deep details about using cowrie. Even when it comes to cowrie divination, how to use for secrets behind how those prayers work. A very secret of using 7 seeds of alligator pepper and a cowrie. In this video, I will be teaching you the powers of cowries and 7 seeds of alligator pepper.
I have the gift of seeing. That's why people call me this year. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problems and the solutions. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Your happiness is my concern.
Okay guys, in this video I will be teaching you the powers of cowries and 7 seeds of alligator pepper. I guess you have not heard this one before. So I'm going to teach you a very secret of using 7 seeds of alligator pepper and a cowrie and 7 seeds of alligator pepper. You have to understand that there are a lot of information about cowries on the internet. Some are true and some are lies. Somebody will just wake up and use his own head. See, everything you need to understand is that things does just not work spiritually. Everything, there must be a point of contact. Now, I want to tell you how some of those prayers work, the secret behind how those prayers work. When you pray with ash, you make the incantation that, okay, a day older, no matter how hot that ash is, that hotness cannot exceed that day. You are making a point of contact that if ash is hot, so it must die of that day. So you want to prevent to of that day. There is one topic I saw online, although never mind, I'll talk about that. Somebody posted. Now, you see cowries, right? I made a lot of video on cowries. If you check YouTube channel, my channel here is one of the best channels that speaks a lot of deep details about using cowrie. Even when it comes to cowrie divination, how to use for the one that have open back, the one that has no open back. And in spirituality, when we are using cowries, there are some things we use the cowries that the back has already opened. There are some we use the one that the back has not opened. When the back of cowrie has not opened spiritually, it is not money. But once they have opened it spiritually, it becomes money. So cowrie is the money they use in the spiritual realm, the one that the back has opened. Now, if I want to use cowrie for protection, I use the one they have not opened the back. If I want to use cowrie to draw money, right, I will use the one that have not opened the back. Then if I want to use cowrie for, like, let me say, if I want to use cowrie for protection, the one I'm going to tie on something, I will use the one that have not opened the back. But see, I used to see some people that they will tie cowries on their beard. And the one they tie on their beard, they have opened the back. Or the one they put on their head, they open the back. The one they have opened the back, it's now money, no. It's like I carry spiritual money along. What it does spiritually is different from the one they have not opened back. So if you actually want to use cowrie for protection, boil a hole on this. Don't open the back. That's the topic on its own actually. In this video, I will be teaching you how to use alligator pepper and cowrie. Now, how do you do it? If you are the kind of person that you notice that they always fight you in the dream and you are powerless or they are pursuing the dream, you don't have stress to run. They always constantly come to have sex with you, especially those ones that are from the witches. You can have sex in the dream, either from the witches or from your spiritual spouse. You get right? Those are the two sets of people that can come and have sex with you. But if it's from the witches that is having sex with you in the dream, or they normally come and give you food to eat in the dream, what do? Get this alligator pepper, 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Then you get 7 seeds times 7. Then you get 1 cowrie, right? You get cowrie, 7 seeds of cowrie. Sorry, 7 cowrie. 7 seeds of alligator pepper times 7, there's 7 cowrie. Now I go to each and every cowrie, you are going to be 100% naked if you want to do this. They put 7 seeds of the alligator pepper inside this cowrie, you keep it. They take another cowrie, give 7 seeds inside. So that's how you put 7 seeds of alligator pepper inside cowrie, 7 for all the 7 cowries. After you have done that, for the this thing not to come outside, like for the alligator pepper not to fall off, then you can get cotton wool, use cotton wool to cover them, use cotton wool to seal it so that the alligator pepper will not fall off. Or if you like, you can get white cloth, put all of them together in that white cloth, then use strength to tie everything together. Male style will do, normally tie it together, we normally tie everything together. When we are doing it for somebody, I don't want that person to say exactly what is inside. Okay, now after you have tied them together, then anytime you want to put it under, you are doing this, put it under your pillow. Before you sleep, you are going to hold it, you put it on into this, that's the first time you are going to use it. Pray, okay, as I'm putting this here, my enemy should be power over me. I want to progress. I don't want the enemy should have power over me. I want my spirit to be 100% having in the spiritual realm. I want to always rise above my problem. I want to succeed. Forward never, backward never. I say that I succeed or I succeed. You pray how you want your life to be. Then you keep it under your pillow. You only pray on it once. Then keep it under your pillow. Let it be under your pillow permanently. Put it, or if you like, you can open your pillow, put it inside your pillow, let it just be inside your pillow permanent. Believe me, by special grace of Almighty God, I'm not saying this is God, and this can never be God, but there are some things God have created for us that we can use to better ourselves, right? You understand what I mean, right? Just like though we have used some certain things God have down in nature, human being amplifies it. Now we have, you can be here, you talk to somebody afar. That's the reason why you even see me today. You can see me, watch my video. So once you do this, by special grace of Almighty God, you see that those people will not have power towards you the way they used to have power towards you again. That is one way you can use to use alligator pepper, which is very much effective. Please, you use the one they have not opened the bag. What a cowrie does spiritually, the one they have opened the bag, is different from the one that they have not opened the bag. You get right? That's just the truth. So if you find this video helpful, all I'm asking for you is to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss other important video from me. And if there's anything you want me to make video on concerning cowrie, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make video on this, especially for you. Your happiness is my concern. Where there is God, everything and anything is possible. Be see, I'll be scared. Bye for now.